why do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't matter if you know it. Go away on a okay bye. Do you wanna build a snowman or ride a bike around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls, and in their dome it gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say of courage that I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you want to build a snowman? Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. So let the storm rage on. The cold won't never bother me anyway. So he's a bit of a fixer-upper, but we know what to do.